Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka joint committee jong ka Elaka Nongkhlieh ka lapan kan mau biang ban om sashu ya kinu ki kinhun Sengbhalang ban trekam Hapoh uput usam jong ka Elaka Nongkhlieh. Usketri jong ka Elaka uba fencing bare ulong yakni karai ka committee jong ka Elaka Nongkhlieh kalashim ha ka jalang kabalalong ha ka khandai terek ulber arjar pun rio. Ulai thu bakat kum karai nadu ka khat sautrek ulber arja phunriu on om sashu ya kinu ki kinhun Sengbhalang ban Rung Hapoh put usam jong ka Elaka klem da yo jingbet shwa na ka Elaka
gawi jing kunmo lang ba yang fi ki media yo pi ukana cha ka pathai wa I kam ga isi join isi yang Elaka ka woman ha ka khindi tabik yung pnai match de chimi ya rai wanadu ka khat so tarik ino ki Sengbhalang mji di ki psia chau put usam yong ka Elaka yong I talada kwa ki psia to upan gi langba permission na I kam ka Elaka da halor ini lada psia I klem ka jingtip yong I ka Elaka lada jiai no I wa snyosi na benta yong ki im chim ka jingkitle gawi jing kunmo lang ba yang fi ki media yo pi ukana cha ka pathai wa I kam ga isi join isi yang Elaka ka woman ha ka khindi tabik yung pnai match de chimi ya rai wa nadu ka khat so tarik ino ki Sengbhalang mji di ki psia chau kot usam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.